Welcome back to our course on Introduction to C Language Programming. In this module, we'll cover the basic concepts in C programming, including data types, variables, operators, and control structures. One of the first things you need to understand when learning C is data types. C language has several built-in data types, including integers, floating point numbers, characters, and Boolean values. To work with data in C language, you need to store it in variables. A variable is a named storage location in memory that can hold a value of a specific data type. C language also has several arithmetic operators, such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, that you can use to perform mathematical calculations. In addition to arithmetic operators, C language also has comparison operators, such as equals, not equals, greater than, and less than, that you can use to compare values. C language also has logical operators, such as and, or, and not, that you can use to combine multiple comparison expressions. Control structures, such as if-else statements, allow you to execute certain parts of your code conditionally based on the result of a comparison expression. Loops, such as for and while loops, allow you to execute a block of code repeatedly while a certain condition is true. Switch statements allow you to execute different parts of your code based on the value of a variable. That's it for this module. In the next module, we'll cover functions in C language, which are reusable blocks of code that perform specific tasks. See you there.